How to read PDF in dark mode iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Acrobat application on your phone. Adobe Acrobat is a powerful tool for viewing, editing, and managing PDF documents on your mobile device. Once you're here, select and open a document from your recent files list. Inside the document viewer, tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. From the list, tap on View Settings. Here, you will find a toggle switch next to the night mode option. Simply tap on the switch to turn it on. The document's background will immediately change to black, and the text will become white, making it easier to read in low light conditions. You can now continue reading the document. Following these steps, you can easily read a PDF in dark mode on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.